YouTube? Your boy Mike D Fishing, Hold'em Hook TV. Okay, so working on the doors for the Bomber Bass boat. I took them all off about a week or two ago, so now I'm gonna start working on them. I got the carpet off. I'm gonna start sanding them. I'm gonna do a couple of them, and y'all just stay with me and watch what I do. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for commenting. And here we go. Make sure y'all have a mask on. Make sure y'all wear this mask. Just making sure I got it pretty good. This was the biggest one, but it also was the worst one too. Well, y'all, I was gonna try to make it with the one sandpaper, but as you can see, that thing is ate up. This is a little bit heavier grit too, that one, so. All right, YouTube. My tool of choice today was, I can get this off now. My tool of choice today was this little Black & Decker square sander. Nutmeg, small sand I got from Home Depot, man, for about 20-30 bucks. It wasn't much, but it got the job done for what I needed to get done today. So this is all I use. It's Black & Decker square sander. So these are the doors. They're pretty smooth. That's all I really wanted, with a nice smooth finish on this, so when I put the glue that the carpet sticks to it. So as I promised y'all, it's another update on the Bomber Bass Boat. So like I always say, hold 'em hook all day, baby. Like, comment, subscribe below. Any suggestions, any comments, like, share, tell a friend. Do it all for your boy. Got my boat sitting over there. I'm just getting it together slowly but surely with work and kids, and it's just a lot, man. But I'm getting there. And I'll get that finished product sooner than I think. So stay tuned, keep watching, and like I always say, because I say a lot of stuff, always hold 'em hook TV, Mike D, and I'm out. Thank y'all so much, man.